Hackers are getting access to your personal information from those data breaches.
WDRB Investigates reporter Valerie Chin explains what you can do to stay safe.
Healthcare in general is the #1 target for cyber criminals right now.
And we've seen that with the Norton Healthcare cyber attack that happened on May 9th.
There's a lot of different players in the healthcare system, and not all of them are well secured.
James Lee is the Chief Operating Officer with the Identity Theft Resource Center. ITRC says there were nearly 1,400 data compromises for the first half of this year. That's higher than the yearly total for almost every year between 2005 and 2020. This year is on pace to set a record.
And why do you think the number keeps going up?
We've seen the return of a number of professional cybercrime groups back into the marketplace. They were kind of sidelined last year because of the conflict between Russia and Ukraine. There's a lot of speculation around what does generative AI mean for cyber attacks and for identity crimes.
Black Cat Ransomware claimed responsibility for the Norton Healthcare attack. Norton isn't saying much about the case as the FBI investigates.
From your research, how often do these companies actually pay the ransom?
Organizations with good insurance policies do tend to pay. There's no one you should never pay kind of scenario. It's easy to say that, but the reality is sometimes that is something you just have to do.
In a recent report, ITRC says the company with the largest number of victims is T-Mobile with 37 million. The cell phone company says hackers stole customer information, including names, billing addresses, emails, phone numbers, and birth dates.
This is a systemic problem with the industry being attacked, but it's particular with T-Mobile, that they just seem to have a struggle with securing information and keeping it secure.
The company also had data breaches in 2018, 2019, and 2021.
What should people do to keep their information safe?
You're going to make that harder on them if you freeze your credit, because they can't open an account with your credit frozen if your credit is involved.
A second tip, make sure to change your password on accounts that were compromised.
You should only have one password per account. No fair sharing. Certainly don't share your work password and your personal passwords. Don't let those two mix.
Third, make sure you are using two-factor authentication.
Whether that's you're having a code sent to you as a text, or you're using an app, an authenticator app.
Lee warns that your personal information can be found all over, not just the dark web.
You're finding these identity marketplaces in the open. They're on YouTube. They're on TikTok. They are out in the open, on the open web for everyone to see.
With photojournalist Stuart Hammer, Valerie Chin, WDRB News.